So if a planet is having relationship to main period lord, that is Rahu, and these relationship are of four kinds, then we'll discuss about these. What are the types of relationship that a planet should have among each other? Those relationship, there is actually a lot of relationship, like relationship of aspects and conjunction. But these four relationship is only already given by the father of Vedic astrology and the great father Parashara. So astrologers should consider only these four type of relationship when predicting some major events, or when more accuracy in the prediction is required. So you should take only these four type of relationship, and you can also take other relationship as the situation demands. So if a planet is having relationship to main period lord, and these four type of relationships, having only these four type of relationship, and then the sub period of the planet will be good even if the planet is a functional malefic. Then also, because these if the sub period and the main period lord is having these four type of relationship, so the event will be um, a positive event. But if the sub period lord and the main if the sub period lord is a functional malefic planet, then you will get good result, but with some sort of fight or with some cautions you have to take, but ultimately you will get good results. But with patience, that is, you will get results with patience. And it will give the 11th house result if the sub period planet is in relationship to the main period planet, and they are placed in the 11th house or aspecting the 11th house, or in any relationship with the lord of the 11th house. And these results will be excellent if the sub-period planet is having any relationship with the main period planet. And also the nature of the planet is same either by lordship or by their natural significance. If the sub and the main period planets are related to any four kind of relationship and are lord of malefic or benefic houses, such as the house of lords of the 6th, 8th and the 6th house, they have the same nature. Lord of the 3rd and the 11th house, they also have the same nature. The lord of the 2nd and the 12th house, they also have the same nature. And also the nature of the Saturn and Rahu are same, because both are the malefic planets. So nature of Rahu and the lord of the 12th house and the lord of the 8th house are also same. Again, both are malefic planet and both are the houses of passion, subconscious mind, and Rahu denotes the passion and subconscious mind in our natal chart. So the nature of Rahu and the lord of the 12th house and the lord of the 8th house are same. Again, the nature of moon and Jupiter are same, as both are expansive planet and both are benefic planet. But more positive results are shown if the main period and the sub period are related and are of benefic by lordships. So if the sub period and the main period lord are well related also, and they both are benefic also by lordships, then it will give excellent results. And the result will also be good if the main and the sub period lord are related and both are of the same nature, not of the same nature by lordship, that both are not benefic by lordship, but both are having same nature, that is, either both of them are benefic or both of them are malefic. So if the sub period or both of them are same in nature by lordship of houses, such as the one main period lord is the house of the 6th house, is the lord of the 6th house, and the sub period lord is the lord of the 12th house. So in that case also, if they are having relationship, they will give positive result. So if the sub period of the planet, that is a Yog Karaka planet, but not related to the main period lord, that is Rahu, then the result will be medium. If the main period is benefic, such as Rahu is in the 5th house, and the sub period is a planet exalted in benefic house, but not related to main period Lord Rahu, then the results of the sub period will be medium. But obviously the exalted sub Lord in benefic house will give good result, but not full extent if it is not related to the main period Lord, and it will not give good result also if the main period and the sub period Lord are to second and 12th house or 6th and 8th house to each other. Now gain is maximum when you are running the periods and the sub periods of planet that sits in 11th house with benefic conjunctions, or planets that fully aspects the 11th house, such as the strong planets in the 5th house, or in the period of the lord of 11th house itself, or in the periods of the lords of planet conjuncting and aspecting 11th house itself. So let us take an example. So if Jupiter is conjunct with Saturn and Moon in the 7th house, and Saturn being lord of the 11th house, and Moon and Jupiter are benefic planets, then in the main period, main and the sub period of Jupiter, Saturn, and Moon, the signification of the 11th house will be evented, that those events will take place, that is, the events of the 11th house will take place if you are going through the sub period of Moon, Jupiter, and Saturn, if they are placed in the 7th house and all of them are functional benefic planet. More so if other main or sub period lord is also exalted or having good strength, and best if any relation to the other sub and the main period lord. So gain will flow in the life of the native in the main period and the sub period of Venus and Rahu as the aspects 11th house. So even suppose Rahu and Venus are sitting in the 5th house, then in the sub period of the Venus and Rahu also you will get the results of the 11th house, as Rahu and Venus is aspecting the 11th house. In the main period of Ketu, suppose if Ketu is sitting in the 11th house, then you can also get gain in the main period and the sub period of Ketu. And also if it aspects, you will gain, why you will get the results of the 11th house, that is gain wealth, gain of wealth, gain of material, gain of power, gain of anything, realization of all your hopes, instant almost all the hopes, realization of your hopes, gain of materials, all these things you will get in the sub period and the main period of Ketu if Ketu sits in the 11th house, and if Saturn sits in the 7th, as Saturn as a lord of the 11th house, if it sits in the 7th house, then Ketu also aspects the lord of the 11th house, that is Saturn. You will also gain the result of the 11th house, that is every good things, every sort of gain should be happening in your life if the main and the sub periods of the lord of the 11th house, if the 11th house is strong and conjunct with benefics in benefic house. In the main and the sub period of Moon and Jupiter, as they are conjunct with the lord of the 11th house, that is Saturn, and also in the main and the sub period of Mercury, as it is a dispositor or owner of the house in which the lord of the 11th house sits. So what we have discussed is, to get a result of any house, let's say 11th house, you have to check these points. The first point is that the main and the sub period should be of the planet sitting in the 11th house. The main and the sub period should be of a planet that is aspecting the 11th house. You should gain the result of that house if the main and the sub period of planet that is conjunct with the lord of the 11th house, or which is aspecting the 11th house. And you should also get gain, that is the result of the 11th house in the sub period and the main period of the 11th lord itself, if it is strong and if it is in the benefic house and if it is conjunct with benefic planets. And you will also get the results of the 11th house if any planets also conjunct the lord of the house of that planet. Suppose if you want the result of the 11th house and your 11th house lord is conjuncted with Saturn and Jupiter, then you will get the result of the 11th house in the sub period and the main period of Saturn of Moon and Jupiter. If Moon and Jupiter is conjunct with the lord of the 11th house, that is the Saturn. So keep watching my video. You will get a lot of more information about astrology, which you will find very difficult to find anywhere else. So keep watching my channel and subscribe.